the child bodies put in body bags and they are being taken away.
Ebusuya helicopter crasher AC ewo Ashanti region no Ashanti regional minister any soldiers for impenifo omo ebuwura baby a incident no AC here no de 8 bodies are ashe beyond recognition no ebusuya omo retrieve bodies na na ebusuafo a omo ahwere omo adehye no ebi akasa so na after this incident no ebusuya asofo be videos and they are popping up na ensema wo mu no Masrawa so ba subscribe to Trends GH on YouTube, Facebook and TikTok bibia Trends GH so and there Black Wednesday because enche ye bia awreho sama ato oman Ghana from anopa ekosi sabre de oman Ghana flag no is flying at half mast Ghana Armed Forces omo helicopter nipa nwotwe nyina no ahwere omo nkwa because helicopter ne busua crash ye na awreho sem we a ato Ghana no eno na social media videos ni bi apop up we Prophet Roger na prophet ne busua ensema a odi tu dwa no we July
ali ma menko 29th July na so okay asem we America ne nya asem America for fame but I asem America sre Ghana sofo nyina ene Ghana sunsumfo nyina ne onim ade a me beka ne nanka esi last week hey yes dia me beka ne no nanka esi last week and now for one or two reason onyame hu ya mobo na ade na ensi na omo de ade na kwa akose on the 29th of July from any moment from now to 29th July a possible say betimi happen Ali there is going to be a plane crash in Ghana the first time in the history of Ghana there is going to be a plane crash Kumasi to Accra or Accra to Kumasi that route no until 29th of July 2025 if prayer is not being made last week the last week of April no and last week already favor ye and yes sir nanka a plane from Kumasi to Accra nanka kwa kwahwe no I'm telling you last week in so to gidigidi pa sada na so to ye no enso na to ye na e to for a reason e da no nyame ne hu ye mobo anka pray ye kebenya the fact ke be record this ade no kesi twam na no nansi no ade na carry forward kwa ye nim enti Christopher Mompae asofo Mompae wo de ogina sorry dem a fire prayer point say prophet be wo de don't believe menje me mindi wo de me personality no fa me to nchen but fa say prophet be a ye nyini ni ye fa say me kura me bodam ni ana me konfo let's take it like that say be kura me obonsam hu nipa me jitum fa ne say kan de obeka but the answer asem na make the message if we don't pray as a nation
our chemu say July na incident no ebesi no now eba no this prophecy and sensem we are Prophet Eric Buahin Uche oye leader and founder Emma Rain House Chapel ebusuya Sunday we ya etwemu ye 3rd August already original show them and even United Showbiz and I say Neat FM presenter Ola Michael onupo de na owa show them hobi Sunday we and o chemu say
me pese oto na ye boy ensem bompaye for the month of August. Month of August. Last month I stood here and I said month of July plane crashes seven total form and you saw it this month. Last month you saw it, right?
Yes.
This the can 31st but July me can say July we the total form sir.
Yes.
And you saw it happening. You saw it happening. I was specific say July. Amen. This month it be plane be top form. Plane. Yes, I have a bompire. Plane crashes. We know a bushia Ghana for a radin diverting free Ghana.
Jesus.
We know a bushia a plane crashes.
Jesus.
So Prophet Eric Buahin Uche the prophecy we are only 3rd August and 6th August no ebusia eno na egie him wo internet no so amanfo chirem say hey na eba no nipa nwotwe o ma hwere o mo nkwa wo this helicopter crash yi mu ya Ashanti regional minister together with soldiers for ni police for impeni for omo ekopie helicopter crash scene wa wo hwe nipa nwotwe sane ayasesa omo bodies. Oh,
to buy number of minister nebana or co be asem see no or co be asem no see yeah people no nya be pa da from kura people kase pa ti e co be na asem no see yeah.
Yes, the bodies have been conveyed into ambulances and they have been taken to Accra, we are told. The military is leading this effort to convey the bodies from the Sikaman community to Accra. So you see about 3 ambulances. The Ashanti Regional Minister as well as the Regional Security Council are leading these bodies here. The charred bodies were brought down from the scene, put in body bags, and they have been taken away. And you can hear in the background the sirens, seeing that the regional minister, the national security officers, the fire service, the ambulance service, as well as some medical team of the military, they are conveying these bodies, and the ambulance have lined up here. A while ago we saw some traditional authorities from the area who of course performed some rituals to the bodies before they were being conveyed, because according to them, these bodies, the rituals have to be done because very important there, because this incident is a disaster. They would have to pacify the gods, and there's this stream that leads you to the main forest where the incident happened, and the opinion leaders as well as the traditional leaders have done that. So you can see the military officers standing by the ambulance that is supposed to carry these bodies.
Na ayerho sem we ya esi nimpa nwotwe a ono de omo atwe nanom e wonse do no eye former Ashanti regional minister ene afi former Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly boss adodo na efre no KK Sapon onu su ka nimpa nwotwe a omo hwere omo kwa through this eye helicopter crash no Nigeria e di ayerho saso ene ne bra odi nsem bi atodwa.
You Actually, he's a pillar of the family, you know. And then our mother is still alive. Our mother is about 87. He's still alive. And actually, we haven't been able to tell her because of the situation, because of her situation.
So where is your mother currently?
My mother is currently in Javi.
Okay. So we want to understand, are you the elder or the younger?
I'm the last but one born.
How would you describe him
So as a brother, how would you describe him?
He's a very unifier. He called me every day, every time. Even yesterday, I talked to him, and he said he wanted to talk to our mother. And he spoke to our mother that he's coming to Obuasi. So maybe when he returned from Obuasi, he'll come to Javi to see her. Then,
so this morning, were you able to speak with him?
No, I didn't hear from him this morning. I went to work, I'm an admin officer, and then I just heard the news from that place.
Sasuna Dr. Omane Boama, our defense minister, our no Sunipan Watchia, or Marshal Mukwa through helicopter crash in Ebusian, Okamubino, a national chairman for the NDC, Johnson Esedun Ketia, NAFI, a chief of staff, Honorable Julius Debra, Omoko Piemu, Ewo, a Nema Mifi. Now you're a some no say, a Dr. Omane Boama, Nema me baba cope, and no, no, so water and nanum, a once, I don't know. Dr. Omane Boama, Nema me kra no ote, ne banu wo ense mi kra na ebusua. Ne akeka kono emu ya yeden enu nti no omode ne kopia mu e won kran ne no de onko hu specialist because news no abo ne pusa na ma me ho fa no. Sasno Kopiemo, Honorable Mutala Muhammad, Oye Minister for Environment, or no so helicopter crash where Busia, O Kamubino, Kopiemo Nifia.
اللهم ارحم لجميع الموتانا مؤمنين الذين شهدوا لك بالوحدانية ولنبيك
Air flying officer, Chim Ampedu, no so can nipan watch we ya, or my washer non quan ewo hono, Air Western Regional Minister, we ko PMU ewo nifia, wakoma ebusia for shedding.
Today has been a Christian Black Wednesday in the history of this country, rightly so, because of the horrendous and devastating accident, that we've been hit with today. The whole country is grieving, particularly in the Western region. We have three of the crew members, all three of them happen to come from here, from the Air Force base of Takrady. And so we have been hit directly, by this unfortunate accident. And we needed to think through, what we could do. If, we've come here because one of the crew members' wife is also a naval officer. And so had to come here to commiserate with her. There are two others who are not in the jurisdiction now. We are making effort to locate them so we can go commiserate with them. So we've come here just to see the wife of one of the crew members, to comfort her. I'm told he's Flight Officer Pedro. Yes. And so that's basically why we are here. It's a very difficult time we are in, and struggling to find words, the right kind of words to even, say something refreshing, that will comfort our dear sister.
Ebusa, share what you mame or comment section ho na share video we ma afoforo so nsanka bi. Me dey Kojo Black na crown.